Hello friends, welcome to the Excel problem solving session. Let's go to the problem. I'll read out the question. The question user asked us, I want to remove all the data of mother's name in this list. How do I remove it? Okay, so you have mother name, father name, and similarly you have the structure mother name, father name, mother name, father name. Now, how do you remove only mother name and we keep only the father name? So friends, you can see you have in the alternative way mother's name, father name, mother name, father name. So what we can do is we have learnt in the philandel, we can use 1 and 2 and then we will be dragging it. Now you can see it is in the sequential order. Now I'll click on this and I'll click on copy cells. Now I have mother's name as 1 and all mother name as 1 and 2 father's name, all father's name as 2. Now what I will do, I will select this area. We will use the sort option. In this, we'll use the custom sort. Okay. I'm going to sort based on the column J. I'll click on OK. Now you see you have the mother's name on the top, father's name on the bottom. Since we have to remove the mother's name, we can select this and we can right click and delete the cells and click on OK. Now you can see the cells are deleted and we have only left with the father name.